So to go inside my red peas beef soup, I have 1 pound of yellow yam, half pound of red peas. I have some thyme here, fresh thyme. I have some scallion. I have sweet potato. I have breadfruit, chocho, my scotch bonnet pepper, pumpkin, coconut. I'm going to blend about half of the coconut to get the juice to go inside the pea soup. I have two carrots here to go in also inside of it, and I'm going to put some spinach inside of the red pea soup. I love my cornmeal dumpling for my red pea soup. So I have 2 cups of flour inside of this bowl here, and I have 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. So to make your beef soup, you have to have chicken foot inside of it, and you have to have some soup bone, and the beef itself different. So here's my beef, and here I have the beef bone to go inside the soup. This beef bone gives the soup flavor. And I have the chicken foot right here. I'm going to show you how to clean up your chicken foot and to remove the toe from it. So this is the way you clean up your chicken foot. You put the knife right here. Don't put your finger very near to it. Put your finger a little bit away from it, and you remove off your toe. Make sure the toe. So I already washed my chicken foot 3 times. I can use a small amount of vinegar to wash it, or lime. And this is the way it looks when cleaned up. And the beef. So you're going to wash your peas for 2 to 3 times, also too, just like the meat. 2 to 3 times wash. Then you put the beef, the chicken foot, and the peas to pressure together for 25 minutes. I love to use my cock soup and my soup mix inside of my beef soup. It gives a better flavor and it tastes very nice. When you use the cock soup alone, it don't taste nice, but when you mix both soup mix up with it, it tastes very nice. Time to put in your peas inside. You're going to put in 2 sides of the measuring cup. So you're going to put 2 of these inside of it. Now it's time, guys, to make the dumpling. Put a small amount of salt inside of it. You're going to throw a small amount of water inside of it each time and mix. Now it's time to test if my chicken foot, my beef, and my peas cooked. Here we go. So chicken foot soft and the peas is very soft. and the beef is cooked. Very soft. So it's time to put in my food inside of it. I have chocho here, breadfruit, sweet potato, yellow yam. So we're going to put in everything inside of it. This is the way dumpling look to go inside the soup. But I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to roll it. I'm going to show you how to make the round one. Here, and put your hand like this and you bring it under. Nice. Just bring your finger underneath it and mix up and sink your dumpling. I'm going to close it up on this. Now it's time to put in my coconut milk. Coconut milk. I'm not going to boil salt. Wow. It's time to remove the weight so I don't pressure. It's time to put in the season. My thyme. I love to put garlic inside of my soup. For garlic good for your health. And I love to season my soup very well. Don't watch the amount of soup. It soon be boiled right down. I love to serve. When I serve in soup, I love to serve. Have soup to serve. So I'm going to just catch the pot cover on it. That's what we say in Jamaica. Catch the pot cover on it. It's time to put in. Wow! I turn on the flame underneath it. Very low as it cook. It's time to put in my cock soup mix inside of it. Okay. So I sink it. I'm going to put in half of the soup up. Half of it. I love to mix them. It's nice, really. Make the soup taste so nice and rich. Look at the soup and it don't cook long as yet. My God. Wow. Now it's time to remove the pepper out of the soup. Finish do it work. Next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to move the flame from underneath. It's soup ready. Thick and nice. I'm going to taste the soup and see what it wants, because the dough will have a lot of salt inside of it, and for health wise I don't add any salt inside of it as yet. So I'm going to taste it. You can take a small amount of salt. Half teaspoon of salt. You don't want the soup to have a lot of salt inside of it. Now it's time to turn off. Finished soup is ready to serve.